Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. So guys, I am back with another video which is about Fort of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state rich in its history. Most of the forts in Maharashtra were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his Maratha Empire. It includes some of the amazing forts which stand proudly in Maharashtra. So let's have a look at some of the majestic forts. Famous forts of Maharashtra. The Raigad Fort. Raigad Fort is the one of the major spots of tourism in Maharashtra. It is a hill fort that is based in Raigad district of Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has made this fort the capital of his empire in the year 1674. The fort is situated at 2700 feet above the sea level. It is located in the Sahyadri mountain range. There is long stretch of nearly 1450 steps that leads to the fort. In the current time, for the convenience of the tourist who comes to visit the place, a ropeway has been made that helps the tourist to reach the top of the fort. The Raigad Fort is the perfect holiday destination for a weekend. The fort bears the heritage of ancient Marathas. The Raigad Fort is considered to be one of the most eminent place for sightseeing if you are on the Maharashtra tour. The place bears some of the valuable relics from the ruler Shivaji Maharaj. This prime tourist attraction has been the center of the rule of Maratha leader Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The place can be considered to be perfectly holiday destination with family, friends and kids, and you also have many places to visit around the fort. Shivneri Fort. Shivneri Fort is one of the prime historical and tourist attraction of Maharashtra. This fort near Junar located in the Pune district of Maharashtra is a military fortification that dates back as old as 17th century and lately considered as a crowd puller spot that boosts Maharashtra tourism. Shivneri Fort is the birthplace of legendary Maratha leader Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was the founder of Maratha Empire. The place has Buddhist domination around the time of the 1st century AD. The fort holds the true heritage of the yesteryear and is one of the most favorite place or sightseeing. The fort received its true eminence from the legendary Maratha chief Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was born in the year 1630 on the 19th February and his entire childhood was spent in this fort. In fact, Shivaji Maharaj was named after the goddess of Shivai Devi who has a temple inside the fort. The fort passed on to the hand of Mughals, which was again won over by Marathas in the year 1762. Finally, the control of the fort rested in the hand of British. Panhala Fort. Panhala Fort, one of the recognized fort of Maharashtra, is also known as Panhalgarh. Panhala, the word literally means the house of serpents. This fort is based in Panhala, which is 20 km northwest in Maharashtra, India. The fort speaks of ancient Indian heritage and also of the grand region of Shivaji Maharaj here. The fort is strategically placed where it can help to keep a vigilance over the pass in Sahyadri mountain ranges. This pass happens to be one of the main trade routes from Bijapur to the coastal areas. Due to this strategic position of the fort, it has been witnessing many wars and struggle between the Mughals, the Marathas and also the East India Company over the decades. This is famous fort where the illustrated Tarabai have spent her formative years. Large part of the interior of the fort has been kept intact the way they were since the beginning of their time. The fort is a great tourist attraction and is one of the elemental places to visit. Snehagarh Fort. Sitting atop the Deccan Plateau, Maharashtra attracts over 1 million of visitors to its heritage site all through the year. Pune, the cultural capital of the state, is famous for a number of forts which were in itself small towns with highly advanced architecture. Amongst many, one such mega structure is the Snehagarh Fort. that was named after the Battle of Snehagarh of 1671. Carved out of the Bhuleshwar range of Sahyadri mountains, it was erected 760 meters from the base town of Snehagarh. It has been inhabited by different dynasties, predominantly the Deccan ruler Siddhi dynasty headed by Siddhi Amba, the Maratha under rulership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and the Mughals during the region of Aurangzeb. Even British rulers have taken shelter with the walls of mighty Snehagarh fort. All those visiting Pune over the weekend can definitely take a ride on the road of Snehagarh to visit the ancient military base. Previously known as Kondhana, this fort was constructed in the early 1400s by the artisans and the slaves of Koli tribes. Over the years, the fort's ownership got transferred from the Koli tribes to the Deccan king Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who was overthrown by the Marathas warrior, who used it as a military base for several years. In the memory of Tanaji, a brave warrior and the mastermind behind the Battle of Snehagarh, a memorial was built and still continues to greet visitors at the entrance of the fort. Also, another bust was to put up in the memory of Chhatrapati Rajaram, son of Shivaji Maharaj, who took his last breath amidst the isolation of Snehagarh fort. Sindhudurga Fort. Sindhudurga Fort is situated on a projection of Arabian Sea of the Maharashtrian coast in the western part of India. The fort lies on the Malvan town of Sindhudurga district in Konkan region in the state of Maharashtra, which is about 450 km to the south of city of Mumbai and is popular tourist attraction of Maharashtra tourism. This fort is safeguarded monument. The construction of this fort began in the year 1664 on 25th November. This fort was built in about 3 years from 1664 to 67. The huge wall of this fort were constructed to serve as a obstruction and to keep enemies at bay. The fort exhibits impressive engineering and the entrance to this architectural marvel is concealed in a brilliant way so that it cannot be located from outside. For the construction of this awe-inspiring fort, massive amount of iron, that is about 4,000 mound, was used. The sea fort spans across 48 acres and has 3-kilometer rampart in the length with a 30 feet high and 12 feet thick wall. The fort was built during the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This fort was erected to the counter-rise the influence of foreign ruler, that is Dutch, English, Portuguese and the French merchant, and to repress the rising of Janjira and the Siddhis. The receptions of this fort was done under the guidance of Hiroji Indulkar in 1656. The fort is now heritage site. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do share, do comment, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye guys. See you in the next video.